Happy Sunday, everybody. Today's title is When Someone You Love Just Won't Change. Hi, I'm Dr. Rose Petrilla, the Primal Professor, and this is your Daily Spoonful. One of the hardest parts of this journey is, I think, watching someone you love continue down a path that's harming their health. You want to help, you offer resources, you drop hints, you beg them to try just one change, but they won't. They won't budge. It's heartbreaking, but here's the truth. You can't want it more than they do. Your job is not to fix them. It's to model what's possible. Let your results speak louder than your advice. Your energy, your healing, your transformation, that's the most powerful motivation you can offer. I've worked with spouses, parents, even grown children who watched their loved ones thrive on keto and finally got curious enough to try it. It wasn't what I said, it was what they saw. So don't give up hope, but stop trying to drag them along. Keep shining your light. Someone is watching, and one day they just might follow. So when we were on our trip this week, on our drive out here to Utah, my husband ordered something in the restaurant, and he said, I could curse you right now because all I taste is the bad oils. He had onion rings. Onion rings. I sat right next to him, ready to kill him, right? He had onion rings. And he now knows the difference between good oils and bad oils. So he didn't order onion rings anymore on the rest of the trip. That's how things start to change. This has been your Daily Spoonful, and I'll see you tomorrow.